In today's video, I'm going to show you a website that is going to pay you again and again. You can try this strategy since it works worldwide, and also it is one of the easiest ways for you to make money online. You just need to follow all the steps in this tutorial so you'll be able to set a passive income stream for yourself. Even if it is a simple strategy, you must stay until the end because you can end up confused and lost, since I never talked about this website before in this channel. But as always, before starting, I want to remind you that if you like this type of content and want to see more, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video comes out. With that being said, let's now jump straight away into the tutorial so I can show you everything you need to do. The website that you'll be using today in order to make money online is called eClincher, and this is over at eclincher.com. This is a top-ranking social media management platform, as we can see immediately once we come over to their official website. This is a tool that franchises, small and medium businesses, enterprises, agencies and people just like me and you use to grow social media accounts automatically. So they basically manage your social media account for you. But don't worry, you don't need to pay anything for this or even to have a social media account. There is another feature of this website that you can use in order to make money online. So this is perfect for complete beginners with no experience. As you can see, eClincher is integrated with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google My Business, YouTube, TikTok and so on. And the reason why people need to have their social media managed for them is because they are unwilling to do that themselves or they are too busy to do so. And think about it, if you are running a business, how much time will you really have to also manage your social media? Not that much actually, and eClincher is perfect for those people because not only it will run their social media for them, but it will also make them grow, which will lead to the business generating more money. And as you know, social media nowadays is an important part of running a business, and a lot of big companies have a lot of social media accounts like Instagram or Facebook and so on. And since I know most of you don't run a business, I want you to keep watching this video because I'll show you how this website is going to make you money. Before that, I want to show some important features of eClincher, and as you can see, they guarantee to boost your social media ROI and grow your reach. They offer a support team 24/7 and they are continuously adding value and features so you can better execute your strategy. They offer all the tools that people need in one platform, such as publishing and scheduling, interactions or engagement, social listening and monitoring, and so on and so forth. And as you can see, they have been featured in Daily Herald, Forbes, ABC, The Huffington Post, Fox News and other big media sources. Now all you need to do is to hover your mouse here in the company section and select partner/affiliate program, or you can go all the way down to the bottom of this website and underneath eClincher click on partner/affiliate. Now we want to promote this website as an affiliate, and doing that can get us paid very nicely. Per single person you refer to here, you'll earn from $50 up to $100. And that is a lot of money actually. If you refer, for example, 100 people in this website, that will be $5,000 to $10,000 for you. So it has a lot of potential. Not only you get paid a lot of money, but you can find a lot of potential customers to refer on eClincher. As you can see here, in 2020, over 3.6 billion people were using social media worldwide, a number projected to increase to almost 4.4 billion in 2025. There are literally millions of people who are running a business and will need help from eClincher for managing their social media accounts. And something else that makes it way easier to persuade someone to try this out is the fact that eClincher offers a 14-day free trial. The hardest part about affiliate marketing is trying to get people to try out websites or products that you are promoting, since they don't like investing money in something that they are not sure is legit. But with a free trial, not only it becomes easier for us to make people try this website, but once they try it out for 14 days and see that it will help them a lot, they'll be willing to pay them to manage their social media, and you'll also get paid for that. So, eClincher affiliate program has 3 big benefits. First of all, it is easier to get someone to try out thanks to their free trial. Second of all, you have a lot of potential customers that you can find. And lastly, they reward you pretty decently whenever you refer someone to here. So in order to start making money with eClincher, you need to click here on apply here in order to create an account. All you need to do is to put an email address, your first name, last name, the website, company name and company number boxes can be empty unless you have one. Then you can select the country. As you can see, you can apply from anywhere in the world. Then put your address, phone number, password, some of your social media URLs, and then tick this box if you agree to the terms of conditions, and then complete the CAPTCHA and sign up. Now what happens from there is that it will take a few hours for you to get approved into their affiliate program, and once you get approved you'll be able to get their affiliate link, and whenever someone signs up to eClincher to your link, you'll make up to $100 per each person. And now I'll show you exactly where to get traffic for your link. And what you can do is to use some freelancing platforms like Fiverr.com, peopleperhour.com or guru.com, quickandgeeks.com, and many others which you can also find by searching on Google for the best freelancing websites. And I will use Fiverr as an example, but keep in mind that what I'm about to do applies to all the other websites. So once you're in one of these freelancing websites, just search for social media management, and you're going to see all of these freelancers offering this service, and they are getting a lot of sales and charging a lot of money. As you can see, this person right here is charging $80 and has managed to get 222 sales and more. Since these are all the feedbacks from people. This person right here also charging $200 and got more than 260 sales, or even this one right here more than 1,000 of sales. But today we are not going to list our services on these freelancing websites just like these freelancers are doing. Rather than that, we are going to find freelancers that are offering this service, and these people are the perfect customers for us. Why though? Well, they have all these customers and they manage all those accounts by themselves. This means they do not have that much time on their hands. That's why we are going to give them a tool that will allow them for a small investment to manage far more accounts and thus make a lot more money. Most of them will be willing to give it a try, and this is why these people are the perfect customers. And what you actually do is to contact all of these freelancers that you'll find on Fiverr, People Per Hour, on Guru and so on. So you just need to click, for example, in one of them, and then you have to find the contact button, which is right here. Then click on it, and you have to tell them that you have a tool that will help them do all the work for them. But don't give your affiliate link straight up. Leave there your email address so they can reach you for further communication, and after that you can tell them about eClincher and all its features, including the free trial, to which many of them will be willing to give it a try. And then you can put your affiliate link, and you need like 10 people to sign up to eClincher so you can earn up to $1,000, which is just insane. I really hope you like this strategy, and if you did, make sure to give a thumbs up and to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't already, support us by subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.